Okay, 23.3, the exercises. We'll start with problem number one. And they say find the highest common factor, what many refer to as the greatest common factor. And the way to do that is to factor each of these polynomials separately and look for the factor they have in common, the greatest number of factors they have in common. So let's write this down one at a time. And the first thing to do is, the first one is 64x cubed plus 27y cubed. And that does factor nicely, by the way. Now, I have a key written for you for those students that are struggling. This is a difference of perfect cubes. So, it's a sum of perfect cubes. 4x plus 3y, then it's going to be 4x quantity squared, which is 16x squared. Then it's going to be 4x times 3y, which is 12xy, so minus 12xy. And then the 3y squared, which would be quantity squared, which would be 9y squared. The next one is a difference of perfect squares, fairly easy to do. I got this over here. This one over here, it's a perfect square. So what do you get? 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 3y, all right? So the question becomes is, what's the greatest thing they have in common? Well, if you look at it, they just have this in common. That's all they have in common. So what's the greatest common factor? 4x plus 3y, all right? Thank you.